We're excited to show you a new product that just launched for Brady. It's the BMP61 portable label printer. This is a system that was developed with a lot of input from our customers who used a previous model called the TLS 2200. We've put a lot into developing this new system, and we wanted to show you a few things that are unique about it and a little bit of the functionality. One of the things that you might notice initially is the screen. It actually has a full color interactive touchscreen, very similar to how you would use a smartphone. The other cool thing about the display is it actually shows you what you're going to be printing. And it also has some unique features on the bottom, like gas gauges for your supplies, the ribbon, the label stock, and also the battery capability as well. The applications that you would use this printer for are going to be wire and cable identification, general labeling like bin and rack labeling, component marking, even safety labeling. So quite a number of things that you can do with it. So what I thought we'd do is just go through a couple of real quick functions here, and Arturo's going to help me. Arturo, could you show us how do we do a label, a sequence of labels, like a serialization label?
Yeah, absolutely. Pretty simple to do. Basically, what you do here is you hit the serial function, type in your first label that you desire to print, then you drop down and display and print your end value, hit OK, and then you hit print, and it prints all the labels that you wanted it to make.
So very quick, very easy to create a serialized group of labels with the printer. A couple of other cool things to note is the way you can manipulate data with the system itself. Right now we're using it in standalone mode, so essentially we're inputting all the data by hand, right? But there's other ways that you can do it on a more automated basis. If you'll turn it to the side and show the connections on the side, there we go. So you can connect this printer to a PC and run it with our LabelMark software. And in LabelMark, you can actually do things like compound serializations. You can do data importation from a database, which is really cool, and automate that whole process. So, and another way that you can do it as well is if you have a simple memory stick and you have a list of labels that you want to print from, say, an Excel file, you can save that on the memory stick and just plug it into the USB port on the side. A fourth way that you can actually work with the system is actually wirelessly on the optional Wi-Fi model that allows you to create your labels on your smartphone and then print wirelessly to the printer itself. One of the things I think that's really kind of neat to look at, and we'll give you a quick peek as well, is the library of graphic symbols that we have available in here. Because the screen is so defined, you can really get a good look at what those are. And Arturo, if you want to take us through that?
Yes, absolutely. So simply by hitting this symbol function, you'll be able to scroll through the entire library that the BMP61 of symbols that actually has built in. So you'll see everything from arrows, datacom, electrical symbols, exit, fire.
And if 450 symbols isn't enough for you, you can actually import graphic symbols the same way you would import Excel information on a memory stick. So very versatile printer. So there you have it. There's the BMP61. Really exciting new system. If you want to learn more about it, contact your local Gray Bar representative.